Horton is a specialist in high-voltage BEV and hydrogen cooling systems. The Horton high-voltage E-fan system consists of a motor, an inverter, a fan, and a support bracket. The Horton E-fan cooling system is connected to the overall thermal management system of the electric truck through a cooling fluid. This is an example of the power electronics cooling circuit. The battery cooling circuit. The brake resistor circuit. The AC circuit. We're showing a potential OEM design approach where dedicated heat exchangers are responsible for specific cooling circuits. Some important benefits of the Horton E-fan system are: it's a high-voltage system, enabling faster charging time, flexible configuration, one or more fans with integrated or remote inverters, customized speed control, increased efficiency. Our mission is to be the leader in thermal control for power systems. For more information, please visit our website www.hortonww.com.